Hello everyone, you are welcome back to our channel, the Cuteness family. If it's your first time of visiting this lovely family, for stopping by, we say God bless you. Thank you so much for your support, your like, your love. For our old and new subscribers, we say you are highly welcome. We love you, yeah. In today's video, we are so excited to introduce you introducing new formula milk to our 6-month-old baby after exclusive breastfeeding. Yes, we are introducing this new formula milk to our 6-month-old baby after exclusive breastfeeding. This amolac milk is what we want to start supplementing to our baby. In this video, we are so excited to show you and share with you our experience of introducing a new formula milk to our 6-month-old baby boy after exclusive breastfeeding. We know that breastfeeding milk is the best source of nutrition for babies, but as our baby is growing, you know, we are and reaching this milestone of 6 months, we have decided to supplement with formula to ensure that he is getting all the nutrients he needs for healthy growth and development. We did a lot of I did a lot of research, and I found a new formula that I think will work well for my baby. In this video, we talk about why we choose this formula, how we prepared it, and how our baby is responding. That is what you will be seeing in our next video. So actually, we have been giving our daughter, who is 2 years old, this formula also, but it's different from this, though it's the same product, because this is amolac for 1 month to 12 months, then this is for 1 year to 3 years baby. So Amom and amolac, I think they are the same company, just that the content on this, I think, is very different from this, and you can see is still the same price. It's 69 ringgit 50 cents, 69 ringgit 50 cents. So this is Amom Essential for 1 to 3 years baby, and our daughter, I'll be taking it ever since she turned 2 years. Ever since she turned 1 year, because I did exclusive for her also, and she was taking FLAG. Then when she turned 1 year, I decided to try this product. A friend of mine asked me to try this product, and I think she liked it also. So now, instead of starting with FLAG, I decided to start with amolac for baby boy who is already 6 months, and I hope he's going to enjoy taking this milk. So I want to start giving him this formula after since he have turned 6 months, and I think it will be of help to me also, pumping and breastfeeding, and also it will save me a lot of time. And most especially, I went through the vitamin it contains, which is it contains a lot of protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals. All these are very good for babies, you understand? Yeah. So babies who are turning all this to new months, I think mothers should find out, go through all this, make a research on exact what you will be giving your baby. This is the quantity, this is it. It has a spoon for scooping it. Yeah, this is it. So I want to try giving him today. I don't know if he will like it, but we'll watch out for it, because I think, you know, when a baby is already 6 months, their stomach or their boy is already big, and sometimes breast milk cannot hold them any longer. So I decide that I will be mixing this with Cerelac, so that if I'm to give him this, I'll be mixing it with Cerelac. Yes, but I'll make it lighter because I know it will take us a lot of time because before he will get used to this, because all through his life, yes, I'm correct, all through his life all he knows is breast milk. But now introducing him to a new food, a new routine altogether, I know it will be a kind of challenging, but we have to do it. We have to. So if your mom, you are watching this video, let us know what make you start with for your baby, especially if you are mom in Malaysia. Yes, because you know each country have their milk. I might not find yours here, but if you are mom in any part of the world and you have milk formula that is good for toddlers, then you can share with us. Maybe new moms can learn from us. You understand? You can leave a comment, a genuine comment in the comment section below. Let us know how you started with a formula. Is it from 0 months to what month, and what formula you start with? That will help a lot of mothers who always come online to check what formula. Though, like I said, for my daughter, I never started with this. I started with FLAG. I think I have a video for that. I will also be dropping the link to that video. Then I also have Mom for her. She is 2 years now, so I will be opening. Let's see her own. This is double. So look, this is for the 2-year baby. This is it. Mom. So this is it for 2 to 3 years. This is from 1 to 3 years. Sorry, from 1 to 3 years old baby formula. So, and also from double. So I'll just look for it into their container and scoop with their spoon, because I can. For this, I'm just scared. I don't really know how to start with this guy. Honestly, all he knows all through his life is breast milk. Oh, so I don't know if he will also adapt to it so fast, because like they say, guys are food. So let's see. I just pray he accept this new routine. Yeah, these two is just the same price, no different, but just age different. This also have a spoon in it. Also have spoon inside for this, for the 2 years baby. So guys, I want you to share your idea with us, how we start giving baby formula. If this is if it should be easy for me. Honestly, I don't know if you accept. I'm still scared, but I have to. At least a journey begin with a step, so we have to give it a try. I started giving him water today, which I also made the video. It was a battle between mother and son. Giving him water, he was frowning his face. The video will come up soon also. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. If you are a new mommy, you are finding it challenging on what actually to give your baby, you can always do a research. Most especially concentrate on more on the nutritional nutrient that is contained on this milk you are giving your baby. Do a research on it and know if it contains, especially if it contains protein. Babies need protein. We all need protein, but babies need protein. They need carbohydrates, they need vitamins, and they need a lot of vitamins in their food. You know, they cannot eat most of the fruits adults are eating to that supplement with their food, but from these formulas they can get all the vitamins they require for their healthy growth and development. You can see this one contains vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin C, and the rest. You can see it. So these are what you should check out for before making a choice of your baby's food. Another thing you check is this omega. This is also very important. So though I'm not a nutritionist, but at least I have idea that all these things are good for infants. So this baby is up to 1 month. You can, even from 0 months, some mothers may decide that they don't want to breastfeed a baby. So all those nutrients in your breast milk are contained in this formula. Understand what they will get from your breast milk is also here, but you can never compare with that of a breast milk still remain the ultimate, you know. Also this one also contain almost the same thing with this, you know, but you know the grams, it must be different. So guys, if you are, I say guys, okay, sorry, so mommies, you're laughing at me. So mommy, if you are choosing your formula for baby, please check out for this I just mentioned, or do a good research before making choice on what formula you will give your baby, especially the newborn. If you are mommy that don't want to breastfeed, please know what formula is good for your baby. It's very important. Okay, it's very important. So I'll be ending this video right now. Thank you so much. If you are watched to this extent, don't forget to comment. If you're a mommy, please comment. We the young mommy wants more advice. If you are daddy, you can also share your idea with us. If you watch to this extent, give us your like, thumbs up, share and comment. Let's watch out for next video. We love you, we appreciate you, and God bless you for your love and support. Mwah.